and thanks again for joining us for the 2020 New England Maker Summit. I'd just like to give you a quick overview on the video streams for today's event. If you haven't already, please point your web browser to nems.live. That's NEMS.live. Below an outline of the day, you'll spot 3 live YouTube streams embedded in the page. You can click once on any of these streams to play or pause it, and hover your cursor over the bottom right corner of the stream to find the full screen button. You're watching Track A, the main stream for the day, with the keynotes, the Track A talk, the panel discussion, and the closing ceremonies. If you want to check out the tracks on education or manufacturing, you'll want to pause Track A at the appropriate time and start the Track B or C stream as applies to you. Below each video is a button that says Show or Hide Chat, which will toggle the visibility of the embedded YouTube chat. This is your place to ask questions of the speakers, though questions can also be asked via email by sending a message to info@MakerspaceCT.com. If you have any problems with the embedded stream or chat, click the link below the video to open it directly on YouTube.com. If you're going to switch streams, make sure you pause or mute the one you're leaving so that you don't have 2 sources of audio playing back through your device. If you follow tracks B or C, you'll want to resume Track A stream at their end to catch the remainder of the program on Track A. If you have any issues during the event, refreshing the nems.live page is a great way to start to sort those out. But if you have continued issues, please send an email to info@makerspaceCT.com and we'll do our best to help you out.